I'm with Angeli from Antrim Cosmetic Solutions. She's a chemist from back east, and we are in a natural health food store environment talking about natural skincare. I think women compromise what's good for them because they want to look good, but you're saying beware of the dirty dozen.
That's correct.
What is the dirty dozen?
So these dirty dozens are toxic ingredients which are going in these cosmetics every day on your skin.
Right.
Say for example, if you're using 2 or 3 products every day, and they are in these 2 or 3 products, they're going on your skin every day, they're staying on your skin, and then they cause endocrine disruptions because they start acting as one of your hormones.
And your skin is the largest organ in your body,
Exactly.
so you're absorbing everything you put on your skin, period.
Yes.
Okay.
And then they start acting as one of your hormones, cause cancer and tumors because the cell starts dividing very fast because they are thinking that these are your hormones. So there are many ingredients on the chemical list like parabens or sulfates, ethanolamides, phthalates, formaldehyde releasing agents. They're all endocrine disruptors, meaning that they go in your body, they act as your hormones, and then when cells think that these are your hormones, they start dividing, they change the way these hormones act, and then cause cancers or tumors. The worst part about formaldehyde and formaldehyde...
Is that what's making me grumpy every day? Maybe not. But you're saying if it's mimicking hormones, is it putting women into menopause earlier or causing andropause in men, or
cause, yeah,
is it
sure.
making young girls having menstrual cycles earlier? Is that how?
Yeah, they can because they're going in your bloodstream and then they're acting as the hormones. So they're changing the way the hormones are acting. So whatever is normal state is not happening and changes are happening accordingly.
Okay.
Yeah. So another group is like coal tar dyes. They are these dyes.
Coal tar dyes.
Yeah, they are chemical
That sounds
compounds.
awful. That does sound awful.
They're going in your lipstick, and
Okay, so it's in my lipstick.
yeah, it's going in your lipstick. You're using lipstick maybe every day.
Do you know what I read? I read that we eat 1 or 2 pounds of lipstick a year.
Exactly, and they are going in your body.
Yeah.
So imagine, like if you're using lipstick maybe every other day and eating it.
Every other day, how about 25 times a day? I mean, I'm doing this all day long, so.
Yeah, they can go in your body and it can cause harmful
what
effects.
is coal
tar dyes.
Okay, what is that?
So these are like the dyes or synthetic dyes which are coming from chemicals or petrochemicals, and they are synthesized in the way that they stay on your skin for a long time because lipsticks are supposed to stay longer.
Sure.
So that's what they're doing. They're staying on your skin for a long time, then they're going in your body or you're ingesting them, and they're causing all kinds of harmful effects.
What else are the top 12?
Yes, so siloxanes, like cyclopentasiloxane and tetrasiloxanes.
I even know what she's talking about, but I tell you, we're going to give you all the information here for you to look later on to get more information on these dirty dozens. So that group is
siloxanes, yeah. So they are skin smoothing agents. You feel amazing after using them. The skin feels wonderful. Yeah, and then you use them and they go in your body and cause all these harmful effects like eczema or long-term skin dryness and stuff like that.
You see young children developing skin rashes, unusual eczema at a much younger age. Could it be something that we are using while we're pregnant that's going into the child system?
It could be. Like, it's very dangerous when you're pregnant and using all these ingredients on your skin, and then they ultimately go in your womb and causing all these, birth defects and stuff like that.
Okay, final batch of the dirty dozen.
Triclosan.
Okay.
It's an antibacterial agent going on in your perspirants and anti-deodorants and stuff like that. And again, they are causing all these harmful effects. They are acting as one of your hormones. And there you go. Your body starts thinking as one of the hormones. And
gosh, from your hairspray and shampoo to your skin care products to your creams, deodorants, the dirty dozen. Go online to our website to really understand and find out what the dirty dozen are and how you may be using them in your skincare products and what you could be doing differently. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you so much for having me.